This is a proclamation of the City Council of the City of San Ramon, recognizing the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center and the San Ramon American Muslim community, contributions to the San Ramon community. Whereas freedom of religious distinction as a chair essential right and a fundamental value upon which was founded, and whereas Muslims have been part of the U.S. history from the beginning and have contributed to the production of wealth and construction of the nation, they are also part of the rich history of the civil rights movement. And whereas Muslims are teachers, lawyers, doctors, social workers, tech workers, nurses, and business owners, among numerous other valued professions, as well as peace builders, activists, entrepreneurs, and politicians. And whereas there is a thriving community of 250,000 Muslims in the Bay Area and over 100 mosques and religious centers, and Muslims pursue diverse professions and make rich contributions to the social, cultural, and economic vibrancy of the United States, and have distinguished themselves by fostering greater respect and understanding among all people through faith and services. And whereas the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center, in partnership with local nonprofits and other mosques, has packed and distributed food staples and provided other essential goods and services to at-risk communities in the Bay Area. The San Ramon Valley Islamic Center has held blood drives with the American Red Cross and participates in the Adopt a Highway Cleanup program. The San Ramon Valley Islamic Center is one of the largest donors of the Contra Costa County Food Bank, donating over $25,000 every year, in addition to $500,000 in donations to Contra Costa resident families in need. And whereas it is appropriate to acknowledge and promote awareness of the myriad of invaluable contributions of Muslims in California and across the country, and extend to them the respect and camaraderie every person deserves. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the City Council of the City of San Ramon does hereby recognize the California State designation of August 2025 as American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month, to acknowledge the rich history, contributions, and guiding virtues of Muslims, and to commend all Muslim communities in California for the lasting positive impact they have made toward the advancement of our city and our country.
Okay, would you like to say a few words?
Just a few words real quick. Good evening, Mayor Armstrong, Vice Mayor Verose, and council members Adler, Rubio, and Jweinat. On behalf of the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center, I'd like to thank you for this recognition. Our organization, SRVIC, which we aptly refer to as Service, has truly been in service to the community for almost 35 years since its inception, so we really appreciate this recognition. I'd like to call over Musa Tariq, who is a member of our congregation, as he'd like to share a few remarks as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello and salam, esteemed mayor and council members. It is wonderful to see all of you. I'm Musa with CARE, the Council on American Islamic Relations, as well as a proud resident of San Ramon and a congregant of the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center. We want to thank you for recognizing American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month in line with the new state designation of April, and for uplifting the immeasurable contributions of the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center in our city. I spent much of my childhood uprooted, moving around the country from the East Coast to the West Coast. It was whiplash, as I never felt quite rooted in any community, particularly facing the consequences of post 9/11 America. In 2012, my family moved to San Ramon, and after years of feeling like I didn't belong, San Ramon felt like home. San Ramon Valley Islamic Center in particular warmly welcomed us into a vibrant, supportive community. I've been a congregant since and have made many friends in the community over the years. It is an honor to continue to be a part of this amazing community, and we're grateful for the role that the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center, or aptly named Service, continues to play in fostering connection, service, and belonging in our city. Now I'd like to briefly wear my hat as a representative of CARE, the Council on American Islamic Relations. This proclamation is especially meaningful as our Muslim, Arab, and Palestinian communities have faced an unprecedented and unrelenting wave of Islamophobia, anti-Arab and anti-Palestinian hate, and discrimination in the last 18 months. In 2024, CARE offices nationwide received the highest number of complaints in our 30-year history, and 2023 was previously our highest year of complaints. It is important to understand the efforts to suppress support for Palestinian rights has directly contributed to the proliferation of anti-Muslim, anti-Arab, and anti-Palestinian hate crimes. Today's proclamation is an important step in humanizing and acknowledging our pain and concerns within our community. We thank you for recognizing the San Ramon Muslim community, especially in a time where our communities are facing record levels, historic levels of violence and discrimination. We look forward to working with you to ensure a just, diverse, and equitable San Ramon for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me ask if our council members would like to make any comments. Let me start down. Councilmember Jweinat.
No. Congratulations to you guys, and thank you for having us at the Iftar Ramadan a couple of months ago. Really enjoyed it. Congratulations again.
Councilmember Rubio.
Likewise, I just want to say thank you. I was there as well. It was a beautiful celebration, and I actually went to 2 iftars this time. But it was just, I think, thank you for including us and teaching us about your community and your culture and so many things that I think many people sort of just overlook. And, you know, to the extent of the comments that were just made, I just want to share that I personally hope that in San Ramon, you don't feel threatened. No one should feel threatened. No one should feel harassed. So if that's ever the case, make sure to let us know. And I appreciate you all being here and all the great work you do. Thank you.
Okay. Councilmember Adler.
I'm just glad that we've issued this proclamation. We welcome all faiths here, and we really, as a community, want to get to know each other. And these events have given us an opportunity. We'll continue to, visit. When we have days of faith, and we had some of the holidays that we've observed in San Ramon. It's just great to get steeped in different cultures, and always wanting to welcome each other and get to know each other. So thanks for being here today.
Okay. Vice Mayor Verose.
Congratulations on proclamation. It's very well written. As you know, San Ramon City is well known for diversity and mutual respect. We appreciate all your great services, not just spiritual services, but your volunteerism, your charitable services, and all the great work that do, not just within San Ramon, but within the whole Bay Area. And also thanks for having me for your iftar. We appreciate it. Once again, any time, if you need anything from me as a council member, please reach out to me. I'll be there. Thank you once again. Congratulations.
And I echo those comments as well. I'm always pleased to hear the many contributions of our local community-based organizations and our faith-based organizations. Our community has many needs, and it takes the whole community and an approach involving the whole community to meet those needs. Government can't do it all. Government shouldn't do it all, but we have others. We have volunteers, we have our faith-based organizations, our community-based organizations, we have different nonprofits and philanthropy and academia and government, of course, that have to come together and help our community when they're in times of need. So thank you for all that the San Ramon Valley Islamic Center has done for our community, and please extend our thanks to the San Ramon American Muslim community for all their generous contributions, making San Ramon such a great place to live, to work, to play, and to raise a family. So thank you.